ever free and independent. And I want my people to be ever happy and prosperous. For my country and for my people. I will work and save. I will live and serve. I believe in a good, strong, clean government. As a citizen, I deem it my duty to bear my share of sacrifice and burden and responsibility. I will obey the law and help the government officials enforce the law. I will try to be honest, self-supporting, and serviceable. I love peace, but I will fight for the sake of right, of freedom, and of justice. I love my life, but I will gladly die for the sake of my family, my people, and my God.
Please remain standing. At this point, may we request Ms. Sonia M. Dingadise, Director for Alumni Services and Placement Office, to lead the Alumni Pledge.
Graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Please state your name. A graduate of Arellano University, Andres Bonifacio Campus, do solemnly pledge to live by the teachings and ideals of my alma mater, to which I now belong. So help me God. Congratulations, proud Chips!
Thank you, Ms. Dingadise. Graduates, please be seated. Let us listen to Dr. Jennifer Z. Rosales, our principal, for some important announcements.
Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga minamahal na magulang, na buong puso't katapatang na pinagkatiwala ang kanilang mga anak, na ngayon ay may pagmamalaki ng Arellano